Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make smooth hookah. Start by thoroughly cleaning the stem, vase, bowl, and hose to prevent harsh tastes. Use fresh cold water and fill to cover the downstem by about 1.5 to 3 inches. Check grommets and seals for leaks and ensure an airtight fit. Assemble gently, avoiding over-tightening, and set up on a stable, heat-resistant surface for safe, consistent sessions. Choose a high-quality shisha with balanced moisture to prevent harsh smoke or excessive spitback. Break up sticky chunks gently to allow even heat exposure without drying the tobacco. Use natural coals for steady, clean heat and rotate, or remove a coal if smoke gets hot. Aim for low, steady heat rather than intense flames to coax flavor and keep draws smooth for longer, more enjoyable sessions. Pack the bowl loosely to maintain airflow and prevent the tobacco from burning too fast. Create an even layer and avoid compressing the shisha into a dense plug, which causes hot spots and harsh smoke. Use quality foil or a heat management device and leave a tiny gap between tobacco and foil to preserve flavors. Start with gentle pulls, then adjust coal placement or packing density until you find a smooth balance of taste and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.